Welcome everyone. In today's video we'll be cooking what is called Kondre plantains, a typical meal in Cameroon, or for what some people know they can call it turning plantains, but it's not with that turning plantains because you will see the way I cook it. With this type of plantains, it can take up to 8 hours on the fire. Yes, you heard me, I say 8 hours. So welcome on board, be ready to work with me. So I want to say Merry Christmas to everybody, okay, this channel. For those that have subscribed, I want to say Merry Christmas. For those that are new, I want to say welcome, and those that have not subscribed, I just want to still tell you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year to you too. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe before we begin this cooking episode. Thank you so much. My ingredient for today will be, first is plantain. It's already peeled, okay, and onion, and then we'll be having green spices. Let me put my camera down. We'll be having green spices, ginger, garlic, and this, I don't know what you guys call it, peppercorn, and then ginseng as with it, and then white pepper, and this as well. This is what we'll be using to cook. And then I've not forgotten goat meat as well. I'll be using goat meat as my source of protein to cook this food. So let's begin. We'll put our pot on the fire, and then you put your oil of any choice. Today I'll be using corn oil, okay? Continue to watch. Thank you. Cook this type of food, it requires enough oil. I'm just putting in more oil. I'm not going to wait for the oil to be too hot so that when I put in the onion, will be making noise. I don't like that when I'm cooking anything with oil. I always avoid that. So I'll go in next with my onion. This is my onion. I'll put it in the pot after washing my hands, guys. And now I'll wait for the onion to cook. After the onion cook, I'll go in with my plantains. So let's wait for the onion to cook. While the onion is getting ready, I'll be prepping in my plantains. Guys, look at how it is. The onion is almost ready, guys. It's almost ready. See, the house is smelling nice, smelling nice. So now the onion has infused in the oil. So I'll go ahead and put my peeled plantains. So those ones that are very fat, I'll put right under, okay? So after putting my plantains on the fire, the next thing for me is to go with my water. I have to put water until it is above the plantains. So we are going to go ahead and cover the pot. So after our plantains is on the fire, we'll go ahead to prep our ingredients, okay? I'll go ahead clean the garlic and the ginger, and this one too. This one is the leeks. I'm going to use maybe 2 of these. Let's clean together. Cleaning this all almost done, okay? The next thing will be the ginger. We'll go with the ginger. Ginger will be next. So I'm done prepping my ginger, and the next thing is to cut it into smaller pieces to put it in blender. And the next thing will be my garlic. I don't have time, guys, so in order for me to do it quickly, I just put it in this plastic bag and I put it like this. Let me know how you easily clean your own garlic, okay? Let me know how you easily clean your own ginger. Section, leave me a comment how you do those. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for always watching my videos. It means a lot for me. I'm going to do like this until all is. I'll clean it. After that, wash it and put it in the blender. So I'm done prepping it, guys. I'm just going to wash it and put it in my blender, okay? So now I'll go in with this leeks. That's the name. I'm going to cut it like so, and then I'm going to cut the other one, all the ones I'm going to use. Let's prep it together, guys. I have to remove it one by one because most of the tea see dirty in it. Have to remove one by one and wash it properly. I'm done prepping my green onion. I'm going to chop it and put it in the blender, guys. So all our spices is ready. It's already prepped and ready to be blend it. Spices ready, okay? I'm going to put half of these spices in the pot and leave half, and put it later after I must put my meat. Let's see how the pot is going. See, so this pot is going to cook for about 8 hours. The spices, I will leave it for the meat. So we'll close the pot and leave it to cook. Let's continue to watch. Guys, welcome back. Look at how the pot is bubbling. See, it's almost ready, guys. See, I'm just adjusting salt, guys. Pot has been cooking for almost 4 hours or more than 4 hours now, and it's almost ready. Look at how it looks like. I'm going to turn off the fire and we'll continue tomorrow. Thank you. Hello everyone. So as we're talking about cooking country plantains, those that don't know, they might call it turning plantains or plantain porridge, but this is eaten by the Bamileke people in Cameroon. Okay, it's good. Look at it, how the plantain has been. I think it's ready, and I just off the fire. So let's serve ourselves. So it's time for us to serve ourselves, guys. So since today is Christmas, we'll be using a red spoon and a white bowl. Let's serve ourselves. I'm just trying to put all the meat one side in order to look for plantain. Guys, look at how the plantains look like. Look. So put it here. Look, guys, put it here. Look at how it looks like. See, this is how we serve it. I hope you like it, guys. Let me know if you're going to try this. This has been cooking for about 6 hours. Thank you. Just took out this one because I want to show you how it looks like. Very soft. See, look at how it's going. See, very soft. Everybody can eat it, even little children. Look at how it's red, guys. Look at how it's red. See, it's not hard. Can be eaten by everybody. I'm just cutting this for my son so that he'll be able to eat. Okay, hope you tried.